What's going on, guys? So we got our chart set up here. We always had our 12-inch Simrad NSS Evo 3 12-inch display. Love this machine. It's great. I need to upgrade soon to the S. The S is a little faster, but we had an old vessel view at the shop laying around, and I had a spot here for it, so I have two screens. This is a Mercury vessel view. If you scroll back behind us, I don't have a Mercury on my boat. I got a Yamaha. So I don't use it for my gauges or anything like that. I'm using it for a second display. These machines are awesome. Simrad makes this for Mercury, and it's got a card reader here that you could put charts in it. So what's the nice thing about it, if you guys have Garmin but have a vessel view on your boat, you could put CMOR mapping on it. So I got CMOR mapping here. I also run two different chips. I have a navigation chip and CMOR. So I toggle through them. Right now I have CMOR on here. This chart is a game changer, guys. We were out yesterday. We have another video coming up. I mean, just look at the structure here. Look at this. I think this is out in about 120 feet, I think. Just look at this. Guys, you pull up there, you don't see this on any other chart. I'll pull up my navigation chart. I'm gonna leave it right where it is. You don't see anything. I mean, it gives you the contour lines and all that, but here's alligator. CMOR is not a navigation chart. It is just for the bottoms. So here, if I want to navigate and I want to see the bottom where I'm going, I can. So I run both my charts. If I'm out deep, I'll put on CMOR here and my navigation here, so I see all the depths and everything. It's a great product. We're a dealer now, so if you guys want a chart, look us up and we'll get you hooked up.